Scraping off putty tape. Wall's back off. The walls in the paint booth getting shellacked. So we got this piece inside. So it's coming. Alright, so the front window's out. Still got some dents I need to fix. But all the wood up here on the sides is all ruined. So that's what's going to get fixed. So, but we're starting at the bottom. So it's coming. Just a quick shot, halfway through Sunday, I guess. I got the lower section in. I had to make some changes to it, but I got it in. I had to change this cleat down here. This was not working right, but it's in there. It's bigger. It's really bigger than what I wanted, but it will work. Anyway, this whole section's all rotted. That section, that part of the camper, the forward section of that, the whole front corner is caved all in now. It's now trying to lay on the ground. So that adds to the complexity of trying to make it straight. Anyway, so it's coming, but this is the slogs that you have to go through. This is my interior panel now. I actually have paneling on it, glued down. Yeah, gotta add just one little spot. This should be ready for installation today. And this is ready. We're gonna start disassembling this, take the trim off, the paneling off the wall. Start adding. So I'm hoping today to repair all this or replace it. That's today. So I've had enough for today. Anyway, so the wall is on. It's actually on pretty well. A couple screws holding this front lower section. This lower section here is tight on this side, that side over there, because that wall is so destroyed. There's nothing to hook to yet, so I gotta start putting that wall together. This is what I fixed. This all this structure around the front window. So I got that in the main shop constructed, and then yeah, the screen door once again fits very nice. It's got good. It's even the clasp works on it nicely again. Didn't have to adjust anything. So that's the inside. Those are the right there. Ooh, easy. That's a cleat. There's a couple screws in it holding everything together. A couple screws. And then this side has a couple screws in it also holding it down. And this gives you a real solid connection. So you can't pull the aluminum. I can't attach the aluminum to this side yet because the wall is falling away so far on the other side. I can't pull it hard enough to get the aluminum. So I have a few things I got to work on yet. But this is where it's at. So this is the new superstructure that holds the front windshield on the very front of the camper. So I made this up today. And it fought me a lot, but it is done.